10 animals with amazing superpowers. Cuttlefish can turn invisible. Cuttlefish have the best camouflage skills in the entire animal kingdom. They can distort their bodies in such a way that they can resemble any aquatic shape when it needs to blend in with its surroundings and even to hide from predators. Cuttlefish also have sacs in their skin that contain pigments that helps them change colors at any moment's notice. Certain snakes have internal heat sensors. Some snakes, like pit vipers and certain species of boas and pythons, have tiny organs on their face, which allows them to detect the body heat of nearby prey. The nerves connect this organ to the somatosensory system in the brain, which processes the sense of touch. This allows snakes to actually feel the heat of anything in their surroundings. Sea cucumbers can regenerate organs. Sea cucumbers are caterpillar-like sea creatures with a rather fascinating defense mechanism. They can contract their muscles and eject their internal organs, which then entangles the predators while emitting harmful chemicals. The excreted organs are soon regenerated. This might sound repulsive, but it certainly is a sea cucumber's best mode of survival. The bone-breaking frog. The hairy frog, as it is known, is rather ugly and grows hair like threads of skin and arteries when it's mating season. His superpower can be just as amazing as it is disturbing. When it feels threatened, the frog will puncture claws out of its toe pads, quite similar to Wolverine. The frog's claws are made of bone, and it appears that the frog has to break its toes bones to push the claw out. Scientists are unable to figure out just how the bone retracts. They have stated that the frog regenerates tissue to help heal its wounds. Peregrine falcons have lightning speed. If you thought cheetahs were the fastest creatures on the planet, you'd be surprised to know that another creature tops this list. Peregrine falcons have been recorded flying at 242 miles per hour, making them the fastest members in the animal kingdom. As they dive towards their prey, a peregrine falcon will tuck its wings into its body, thus creating an aerodynamic teardrop shape that is perfect for quickly striking any unassuming birds or small mammals. Sloths can survive almost any wound. Three-toed sloths may not be as quick on their feet, but they can speedily recover from wounds that would otherwise cause animals to reach their untimely demise. This has made sloths quite the focus for scientific research. Experts believe that there are scores of beneficial bacteria that are living in a sloth's fur, which helps them heal unusually quickly and without causing any infection. Bumblebees have a sixth sense. A bumblebee can generate a positive electrical charge when it flaps its wings and then transfers some of this charge to the flower it lands on. A 2013 study has stated that now experts are now aware of when bees detect a certain change in a flower's charge. They tend to avoid the flower after sensing that another bee had recently removed its pollen. Reindeers have supervision. Reindeers have a unique ability to see UV light, which allows them to forage better for food and to also avoid predators lurking in the harsh Arctic landscapes. The reindeers living in the Arctic Circle are faced with challenging environments. Their world takes a drastic shift from summer to winter, which takes them from 2 months of permanent daylight to 2 months of complete darkness. Their ability to cope in both environments is thanks to a special mechanism that allows them to modify their vision in different light conditions. This helps them survive in the harsh climate. Elephants have extremely versatile noses. Everyone knows that an elephant's trunk can pick up various objects, but did you know that the same trunk can easily lift 1 ton? Their trunks also act like snorkels, hoses, forks, and pokers. This depends on the situation. However, poachers have managed to put these incredibly intelligent animals in jeopardy. Hyenas have stomachs of steel. Hyenas are able to consume any kind of animal on the planet. It may be their own prey or even a rotting body. From wildebeests to lizards and birds, and even snakes, a hyena can consider everything as food. Their jaws can even easily crush an animal's bones. However, the only things they can't digest are horns, hooves, and hair. Almost everything else can be easily consumed by a hyena.